Now that you've seen the pipeline design and code, it's time to talk about implementing it at scale for your production data pipelines. When shopping around for execution engines for your pipeline code, consider these questions. How much maintenance overhead is involved? Is the infrastructure itself reliable? How is scaling handled? How can I monitor and alert on things in my pipeline? And am I locked into a vendor? With Cloud Dataflow, a lot of the complexity of infrastructure setup and maintenance is handled automatically for you. It's built on top of Google's infrastructure, and it auto-scales to meet the demands of your data pipelines. It's also tightly coupled with other Google Cloud Platform projects like Stackdriver, so you can set up priority alerts and notifications to keep a watchful eye on your pipeline and the quality of data that's coming in and out. You can replace all the various data handling tools with just Dataflow. Many Hadoop workloads can be done easily and more maintainably with Dataflow. Plus, Dataflow is serverless and designed to be no-ops. What do we mean by serverless? It means that Google will manage all the infrastructure tasks for you, like resource provisioning and performance tuning, as well as ensuring that your pipeline is reliable. That means you can spend more of your time analyzing the insights from your data sets coming out of the pipeline and less time provisioning resources to ensuring that your pipeline will actually make it through its next couple of cycles. It's designed at its core to be low maintenance. So, what does Cloud Dataflow do with the job? Once it receives it, the Cloud Dataflow service optimizes the execution graph of your model to remove inefficiencies. It schedules out work in a distributed fashion to new workers and scales as needed. It will auto-heal in the event of faults with those workers. It will rebalance automatically to best utilize the underlying workers. And it'll connect to a variety of data syncs to produce a result. BigQuery is just one of the many syncs that you can output data to as you'll practice inside of your lab. What you won't see by design is all the compute and storage resources that Cloud Dataflow is managing for you elastically to fit the demand of your streaming data pipeline. That's fully managed. And even if you're a seasoned Java or Python developer, it's still a good idea to start from many of the existing Dataflow templates that cover common use cases across Google Cloud Platform products. See whether or not there's an existing template for you to work from. For IoT use cases, PubSub through Dataflow into BigQuery already exists, and it's a popular choice. Here's a quick recap of Cloud Dataflow. It's designed to be easy to deploy your pipeline and have it just run. It's serverless and fully managed. The same code can do both batch and streaming at scale. It's built on Apache Beam's open source programming model. And it can auto-scale, auto-heal, and rebalance to millions of queries per second.